This mango rum upside down chocolate sour cream cake combines a caramelized buttered rum mango topping with an ultra moist chocolate sour cream cake bottom and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. To make the buttered rum mango topping, cut a piece of ripe mango into slices about 35 grams. Mix 10 grams melted butter, 10 grams brown sugar, and 5 grams rum in the bottom of the skillet, then add the sliced mango. To make the chocolate sour cream cake, cream 25 grams sugar with 25 grams room temperature butter, 15 grams sour cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Fold in 25 grams all-purpose flour, 5 grams cocoa, an eighth of a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed, being careful not to overmix. Spread the batter on top of the mango and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 minutes. The mango upside down cake is done when a toothpick test comes out clean. Wait about 10 minutes or until the skillet is cool enough to handle. Use a small palette knife to free the cake from the top and sides, then invert it onto a plate. Serve warm with a scoop of ice cream.